Hi everyone, how are we doing? Still your one and only, the Niger Medical Police, Adamwalema. Yes, this is the third phase of our story about the woman that lost her 5-month-old baby due to negligence and an overdose of captopril given to the baby that destroys the baby kidney, and the baby died. Yes, she told me again that after she lost her baby, the PRO of the hospital invited her, which is UCH, invited her and she went. So she narrated her story. So they took her address and told her they will get back to her. But surprisingly, the next day, her workers called her that 5 armed policemen were in her office looking for her, and they told her she wasn't there. So when they called her, they gave her the name of the police station they came from, and she went there with her mother and some other people. So on getting there, they took her to the DPO's office, and the DPO was now talking to her, and she asked the DPO, please, I want to know what actually made you to invite me. What am I doing here? And the DPO got provoked without question and called another police officer to handcuff her. You see this thing that is going on in this country, it's a time bomb. You know, people keep doing things thinking they will get away with it. It will get to a point where the public will say enough is enough. So after back and forth, they released her. So do you know the reason why she was invited? The consultant that was handling her baby's case was the one that reported her to the police. You can imagine. You killed somebody's child out of negligence. You had the audacity to report her of cyberbullying. Well, unknown to them, when she noticed that her baby was not passing urine, she went to the hospital. So I was talking to them. Unknown to them, they didn't know she was recording them. This same doctor that called police for her, we heard her saying, well, you are at fault. The pharmacist too is at fault. You can imagine. The pharmacist is part of you. It's part of the system. It's part of UCH. So, and she told the woman, how can you say I'm at fault? What if I'm an illiterate? Which is possible. An illiterate that can't read. So that was it. So they didn't know she recorded them. And she posted it on her page. And when I saw it on her page, I screen recorded it and saved. By the time I saw her complaining that she's been harassed and intimidated by the police, I went back to her page. Lo and behold, they forced her to pull down that video. But I have that video, and I'm going to share the video. Since the health personnel has decided not to change, not to treat us rightly, I want to use this video to empower the public. Once you're with any health personnel, if possible, you have every reason not to believe or trust their treatment. Record whatever you can record for evidence base. If not for this video that this woman had, they would have denied her. Well, she also informed us that she has gotten a lawyer. Her lawyer now is dealing with UCH, and that they have a report that the baby died out of medical negligence, precisely medication error. We'll keep updating you as things unfold. I still remain your one and only, the Niger Medical Police, Adamwalema. Cheers.